Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace front upper control arm Jeep Grand Cherokee. Park the vehicle on level ground, set the parking brake, chock rear wheels, and raise the front with a jack, then place jack stands under the frame. Disconnect the battery for safety, remove the wheel, and inspect the sway bar, ball joint, and hardware. I will guide you through unbolting, swapping the arm, and torquing fasteners to safe specification. Begin by loosening lug nuts, lifting the front, and removing the wheel. Unbolt the sway bar link and separate the upper ball joint from the steering knuckle, then support the knuckle to protect brake lines and ABS wiring. Remove the control arm mounting bolts and note bolt orientation for reassembly. Inspect bushings and compare the new arm to the old one. Clean mounting surfaces and prepare new hardware to install the replacement arm. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more repair videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart navigation make post-repair cleanup effortless and surprisingly fun. It picks up dust, debris, and metal shavings so your garage stays tidy between jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Position the new upper control arm and hand thread mount bolts to hold it in place, then reconnect the upper ball joint to the steering knuckle and secure the sway bar link. Tighten all bolts to proper torque values while vehicle is at ride height if possible, or follow manufacturer guidance. Reinstall the wheel, lower the vehicle, and torque lug nuts. Finally, have a professional alignment done to restore proper steering and tire wear patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.